Hello everyone, today I am going to explain how the Excel-Tally software is better than any other software available in market. For this we did some market research. According to this, I will list out some points that will help you to understand why the Excel-Tally software is better. First, no monthly cost, pay once use lifetime. Here, Excel-Tally software provides you a lifetime subscription as compared to the other software provides monthly yearly subscription that will cost you 25 to 30,000 per year. As you, a CA accountant professional, you regularly need such type of utility, so I definitely recommend you to go with the Excel-Tally lifetime subscription. Point 2. Excel-Tally is a complete desktop-based software. There is no need of XML import-export. It's a desktop software, so it will work on your site. That will make sure your data is more secure at your end, as while importing it will do all possible validations and import data directly into the Tally software. As compared to the other software comes with the Excel macros and add-in base that will make your Excel more complex. While working with Excel it will get hang and crash many times. One of other softwares are cloud based. Here you have to import your data on their cloud server, generate XML file and import into the Tally. If some mistakes in that, you have to follow the same procedure again and again, and you are going to copy your data on this server, means your data is not secure. So I recommend you go with the desktop based software. Point 3. Smart data mapping feature. Here Excel-Tally software comes with the smart data templates. I will show you one example here. I'm going to import the sales with inventory data, so I open the sales with inventory template. Here you have to select the file in which your data is present. I'm going to select this sales with sample data file. When you open that file, it will be appears in the background. Here you can see that your column headings and your data start from 2 to 20. So I am going to mention here, select the sheet name, start row, end row, and going to click on start mapping. It will be auto map your column headings as the spelling is same. If the spelling is different, you have to select it from drop down list, or you can double click here and you can search that column if there are many columns in headings. In this way the smart mapping works, and going to click on import data. Your data is imported with 100% accuracy. As compared to the other software, there is no such type of smart mapping features. You have to manually copy paste your data column wise. If there are thousands of records, there will be chances of misplace of columns, and you're going to waste your valuable working time. Point 4. Auto create GST ledger. Here Excel-Tally software provides you auto GST ledger creation option by understanding party GST number and place of supply. Here I will show you one example. I have this sample data with sales with inventory template. These are the parties, GST numbers and the place of supply. Going to click on create GST ledger button. Here you have to select the company state, company GST code, options to select different type of ledger format. I'm going to select this option to select GST calculations before or after discount. I'm going to click on create GST ledger. Here you can see that if the party state and company GST state is same, it will be create CGST SGST ledgers, else it will be create IGST ledger. If the GST number is not present, it will be compare the party place of supply with the company state. As compared to the other software, there is no such a type of auto GST ledger creation option. You have to manually calculate by understanding GST number and place of supply. So there is chances of miscalculation that will be generate errors in your GST report. Point 5. Verify ledgers and stock item before import your data. Here Excel-Tally software provides you smart data validation. For this you have to click on connect with Tally button. It will connect your template file with the Tally company. After that you have to click on match ledgers with the Tally. It will show which ledgers are present in Tally, which are not in Tally. In few cases, if there is spelling mistake in ledger, you can identify here, like the spelling is ABC, D is extra in this. I am going to correct it here and click on connect and match button. It will show the ABC is already present in Tally. Similarly, you can match your stock items with the Tally. As compared to the other software, there is no such a type of data validation before import your data. It will show errors in Tally. Then you have to delete that records, correct in your Excel file, import again and again. That will waste your valuable working time. Point 6. Smart Invoice Merging and Undo feature. Here Excel/Tally software provide you smart invoice merging by comparing their invoice number, date and party name. They will merge their ledgers and stock item in one invoice. I am going to explain with example. Here the sales template having these three records with the same invoice number, date and party name. Similarly, this remaining records having same invoice number, date and party name. I am going to import this data into Tally. Select the company, select the sales feature, sales with inventory template. Here 3 records created. I have totally 8 records. It will be converted into the 3 records. I am going to check in the Tally. Here as you can see, all the stock items and ledgers are merged together. If there is some mistakes in entries, you can undo from the software by clicking on this undo button. It will be delete all recently processed records. Here you can see that all the records are deleted. As compared to the other software, there is no such type of smart merging and undo features. You have to manually delete records from Tally. Point 7. Multiple bill reference and multiple cost center. Here Excel/Tally software provides you dynamic tagging system that will give provision to add multiple bill references and multiple cost center in one invoice record, and it will be merged as per the invoice numbers. As compared to the other software, there is only one bill reference and cost center columns in their template. Point 8. Multiple debit credit template and multi-currency import. Here Excel/Tally software provides you unique template having multiple debits and credit column that facilitate you to add multiple debits and credit ledger in one invoice records with their multiple bill references and multiple cost centers in one invoice. As compared to the other software, there is no such type of dynamic templates with their features. As if you want to import data in multi-currency format, you have to specify the currency symbol and the exchange rate. Data automatically convert into the multi-currency format. Point 9. Ready e-commerce templates and payroll feature. You know that the e-commerce data are very complex and having multiple columns. That's why Excel/Tally software provides you ready template for all popular e-commerce portals like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Udaan, Paytm, and one common template for all possible e-commerce portals. Here you can import your MTR, sales, commissions and settlement data. As other software companies provide only one e-commerce template, that will make your task very difficult to map and arrange e-commerce complex data. Excel/Tally software comes with the payroll feature. Here payroll feature include employee master, payroll attendance and payroll voucher. You can import employee master's data with their department, designation, employee ID, joining date and their personal detail with their bank details. You can import payroll attendance voucher with the attendance heads and payroll voucher with the pay heads. There is no other software company provides payroll feature. Only the Excel/Tally software provides payroll features. Point 10. Dedicated support team with online support panel and knowledge base. Here Excel/Tally software having their own experienced dedicated support team to sort out all possible technical issues. Website also include the live chat and support ticket panel to submit your ticket and get solution immediately. Website also having how to use videos and knowledge base section. Here I give the complete analysis how the Excel/Tally software is better than any other software. Till I request you to try free demonstration before buying any other software. Thank you very much.